Hello friends, I am Sumit. Today I am going to tell you about how to create a aruco markers and how to detect it. So, if you wanted to create a aruco marker, we need a version greater than that 3.0 because I am using 3.1. I already have the version of 2.4.9, but the dictionary is supportable only for 3.1 and above because one of the header file is only uh, it is consist in OpenCV 3.1. So uh, what I did that first I get the module because this the Aruku module didn't exist in OpenCV, so I download the module on GitHub. So for that I'm going to paste this link at the my at the description. So on the GitHub, you will get these modules. So from here you can download this module file. This module, so I already have downloaded it. So this um, it consists of different modules, but we only need this Aruco modules, which consists of a samples, different CPP files, and some of the source files also, which consists of the header file and some important file. So Aruco has a different applications like augmented reality and camera calibration. So here we only just create one simple Aruco. Aruco. So for that, from this folder, you have to source folder. From source folder, you have to use this Aruco file, create marker file and dictionary and Charuco file. So you have to browse this file to your Visual Studio, uh, and you have to also uh, take these all files to your header file. The files consist in header folder. So you just right click on it and choose this path existent items. So you will get it. After that, uh, to create just single Aruco, you just go to create markers. This CPP consists of the source code for the creating the Aruco. So if when we go here, you can see here these four argument you have to pass. You directly pass it, or you can here hard coded it as well. So if I wanted to create a Arugo of a dictionary, here you can see it consists of the different dictionaries which consists the ID of our Aruku marker. So MS is the marker size which is in pixel, and marker ID we can take it. So if dictionary is 4 cross 4, so we can choose from 0 to 50. Here for dictionary 1 we can use the marker ID from 0 to 100. So similarly, if my dictionary is of a, of a its my dictionary ID is 5, so we can uh, read it from 0 to 100. So first you have to put dictionary ID. These parameters we have to pass. So suppose I use dictionary 0. So this dictionary, then marker ID is 10 and the board bits is 1. Board bit means the external border of your border bits, and the marker size is 400. We can take it for 400, 200. This is the marker size in which is in a pixel. Uh, so if we wanted to see this image, so we kept this show image as a true. So here we go. Only we need these four CPP files. Then you have to compile it. Um, Once we build, we can see here the marker is created and it gets saved at the path which is you given here. I am right, so that it get automatically saved to the your location. Means the my file is, if I go here open containing folder, so actually I browse this path so that in here you can see the out. Sorry. Mm, it's out 10n. The file name is out 10n. So out 10 bb. So this is the file. Then you have to you have to take a printout of it. And if when you can create multiple images of it, means if I want the suppose my marker is 25, then again I can build it and it will pop up with this kind of marker. So again it will be saved at the sort that on that path. So the file which we use to detect the aruco, for that we are using a detect markers.cpp, which is also consist in your module file. That module source file, you will get that file. So just include in it, then recompile your program. When you compile uh, and show your marker to your camera, you can see it. We can also detect the multiple marker at a single time. That's the beauty of Aruco marker. So that we can use like a chessboard. We can only show one chessboard at a time. But here we can use multiple Arucos. The this red, blue, and yellow shows the pose of your Aruco. And for this detection marker, only only two param only this for you have to pass some parameters. So for in detection you have to pass only the mark dictionary id 0 and the marker length, means you have to measure the length of your the square uh, of mark aruco, and then you have to uh, put only this value. And if we want to estimate pose, make it true. So only the most essential parameters are dictionary id, which we created earlierly. So you use 0 and then use a marker length which we measure. So here we need not to pass your that mm, the marker ID. Only you have to pass dictionary ID, not the marker ID. It is automatically detected from your program. And one more thing, here you have to pass the file. It consists of the reader detection parameter. These parameters are essential for the mm, to detect the marker ID. This the file which it is consist in your you have to pass two files here: intrinsic file of your camera, and the another one file is the yes the redetection parameters. So two file you have to pass. You can see C is as a camera intrinsic parameter, L is for marker length, then DP is a file marker detection parameters. So that file you can see, I'm going to show you. It is also in your folder. Uh, sample, yes, detection parameter. This is the file you have to pass. So this is all about Origo markers. Uh, and so thank you very much. If you have any query, you can put it at the end of at the comment line. Thank you very much. like and share my channel for such a new videos and new information. Thank you.